Deep beneath London streets, one of the city's oldest and hardest-working fleets is still rattling through tunnels, the 1972 stock, the oldest passenger train still running on the London Underground today. These trains are instantly recognizable, with their boxy fronts, single headlights, and the classic orange-brown interiors that scream retro. But their story begins not on the Bakerloo line, but on the Northern Line over 50 years ago. Back in the late 1960s, the Northern Line was short of trains. The existing 1959 tube stock couldn't keep up with growing passenger numbers. So London Transport placed a quick order for new trains, the 1972 Mark I stock, to fill the gap. They were based on the 1967 Victoria Line trains, but without the fancy automatic controls. Nothing flashy, just reliable, manually driven workhorses to keep London moving. Later, in 1974, more were built, the Mark II batch, slightly updated, but still part of the same rugged design. When newer rolling stock arrived for the Northern Line in the 1990s, the 1972 stock found a new home on the Bakerloo line. And that's where they've stayed ever since. Today, they cover the entire Bakerloo route, from Harrow and Wealdstone in the north to Elephant and Castle in the south, a total of 25 stations and nearly 15 miles of track. Step inside, and you're basically stepping into a time capsule. Manually operated doors, whirring motors, and a driver's cab packed with analog controls, all from an era before smartphones, Oyster cards, and Wi-Fi. But despite their age, these trains have been refurbished multiple times, new lighting, fresh paintwork, safety upgrades, to keep them running safely and reliably. They've even outlasted newer models, proving just how solidly they were built. Plans are in motion to finally replace the 1972 stock with a brand new generation of new tube for London trains, quieter, air-cooled, and energy-efficient. But with funding challenges and ongoing delays, no official replacement date has been set. So for now, the 1972 stock keeps on rolling, a living piece of London's transport history, carrying thousands of passengers every day. And reminding us that sometimes, the old ways still work just fine. If you've ever travelled on the Bakerloo line, you've ridden a true London survivor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more stories from beneath the streets of London.